If you're seeking engineering consultation or need expert guidance in your projects, don't forget to visit our website, www.eprogrammer.com. Stick around till the end for insightful tips and tricks. Remember to like, share, and drop any questions in the comments below. Welcome to our digital locksmith shop. Here, we'll be using tkinter, your go-to toolkit for creating simple yet powerful GUI applications in Python. Random is like our magic wand, ensuring that every password is unique and unpredictable. String, a versatile toolkit, will provide us various character sets for our password concoction. Our secret formula for creating strong passwords. It's like a chef choosing the best ingredients for a gourmet dish. Stirring the pot. Mixing our ingredients to craft a secure password. This trusty function responds to any changes you make in the settings, instantly whipping up a new password. This is where we build our GUI castle. Think of root as the foundation. Setting our workspace dimensions. Not too cramped, not too spacious, just perfect for our needs. Starting off with a default password length of 12. Because sometimes, more is more when it comes to security. Should we include uppercase letters? Yes, please. It's like adding uppercase muscles to our password. Lowercase letters? Absolutely. They're the agile acrobats in our password circus. Numbers bring in the magic of math to our password mix. And symbols, the special characters, are the secret spices in our recipe. A slider for you to choose the length of your password. Slide away to your preferred length. A checkbox for uppercase letters. Check it for a show of strength.
A checkbox for lowercase letters.
Keep it checked for flexibility in your password. Check this to include the power of numbers in your password. And here's where you decide if you want those intriguing symbols in your password. Behold the display area for your newly minted password.
Large and in charge. The below lines ensure that the password updates in real time as you toggle the settings.
It's like having a personal password assistant who's always on the ball. Let's generate an initial password to kick things off. Surprise me, password generator.
And this line?
It's what keeps our GUI running, listening for your commands.
It's the heart of the operation. Now we run the program, and here is the result. It's fascinating to see how the code transforms into a functional tool.
If you found this video helpful and informative,
Don't forget to like and share.
your support is greatly appreciated. And if you're in need of expert consulting for your projects, be sure to visit eprogrammer.com. We have a team of professionals ready to help you tackle your toughest challenges.
Thank you for watching, and remember, your engagement helps us create more useful content for you.